Stationary points are places where a curve briefly becomes flat. Imagine a graph rising up a hill, flattening at the top, then falling back down. At that flat moment, the slope is zero. That's exactly what we're looking for. We'll find the stationary points of y equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x plus 2. The key idea is that the derivative tells us the slope of the curve at every point. Positive slope means the graph rises, negative slope means it falls, and zero slope means the curve is flat. So first, we differentiate. The derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. The derivative of minus 6x squared is minus 12x. The derivative of 9x is 9. And the derivative of a constant like 2 is 0, because constants do not change. So dy by dx equals 3x squared minus 12x plus 9. Now we set the derivative equal to 0, because stationary points happen when the slope is 0. So we solve 3x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals 0. Everything divides by 3, which makes the algebra easier. That gives x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. Now factor it. We need two numbers that multiply to positive 3 and add to negative 4. Those numbers are negative 1 and negative 3. So we get x minus 1 times x minus 3 equals 0, giving x equals 1 and x equals 3. These are only x values so far. To get the actual points, we substitute back into the original equation. When x equals 1, y equals 6, giving the point 1, 6. When x equals 3, y equals 2, giving 3, 2. Now classify them using the second derivative. Differentiate again to get 6x minus 12. At x equals 1, the second derivative is negative, so 1, 6 is a maximum. At x equals 3, the second derivative is positive, so 3, 2 is a minimum.